we're going to talk some grammars in Arabic, like the past and present. We're going to have here 5 words. رايحة, رحت, اشرب, شربت, آكل, أكلت, نام, نمت, ادرس, درست. The first one here is رحت, like I went. In the past, we said I went to school. In Arabic, we said رحت على المدرسة. This word in the past tense, it goes for female and male. While if we are talking about the present, I'm going to say I'm going to school. In Arabic, I'm going to say رايحة على المدرسة. This is for female. But when I'm going to speak as a male, I'm going to say رايح على المدرسة. The second word is drink. We have in the past the word drank, it means شربت. And this word, it goes for male and female. We say in Arabic, شربت مي, like I drank water. But in the present, I need to say like I'm drinking water. So I need to use the verb شربت, but I'm going to change like the letter or the formation of the letter, and I'm going to use some assistant. We call it ham. It means like I am doing the act right now. So the word is going to say I'm اشرب money. So if I said شربت مي, it means like I drank water. Likewise, I'm now drinking water. I am drinking water. So we said اشرب مي. The third word is eat. In the past, I'm going to say I ate my pizza. In Arabic, we said أكلت, and it goes for male and female, like أكلت pizza. But when we want to speak at the present, we're going to use the assistant and we're going to say in Arabic, آكل pizza, like I'm eating my pizza. We have here the verb sleep. In Arabic, it says minute. Minute, this is in the past. I'm going to say I slept. Nimit. And it goes for male and female, but in the present, again, we're going to use our friendly assistant, the word ham. And I'm going to say I'm sleeping. I'm nam. The last word is a study. In the past, I said like I've studied, درست, and it goes for male and female, درست. But when you want to speak on the present tense, I'm going to use my friendly assistant, and I'm going to say I'm studying. It means I'm ادرس, and it goes for male and female. Let's talk pronouns. We have here he, she, and they. In Arabic, we say هو, هي, and هنم. Let's put it into a sentence. Again, I say it. He is playing. هو يلعب. She is playing. هي تلعب. They are playing. هنن يلعبوا. Here we have like places, like on, under, and behind. In Arabic, we have على, تحت, ورا. Let's put it into a sentence. أنا in طاولة. It means on the table. تحت in طاولة. it means under the table. Wara in Paule, it means behind the table. We have here the word you. In English, it's the same for male, female, and plural, but in Arabic, okay, it's kind of complicated, but let's see. You for male is inta. You for female is inti. You for a group or a plural, it's into. Let's put it into a sentence. Inta zaki, it means you are smart. Inti zakiye, it means also you are smart for female. Into askia, you are smart for a group or plural. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.